Hey everyone, and welcome back to Orion Tech Tube. I'm John, your friendly neighborhood tech enthusiast. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our awesome tech tutorials and tips. So, today we're diving deep into the world of animation creation. That's right, we're talking all things Canva. Who knew this design platform could be a secret weapon for making stunning animations? These incredible videos, raking in millions of views and dollars, were created using Canva. Yep, the same tool you use for making social media graphics. Imagine turning your passion for storytelling, teaching complex math concepts, or creating magical worlds for kids into a profitable business. With Canva's easy-to-use animation features, you can bring your ideas to life and reach a massive audience. The first step to use Canva is creating a Canva account. I know, it might seem obvious, but having a Canva account is like having a key to an animation wonderland. Without it, you can't access all the amazing tools and features that we'll be exploring. So, let's get started. Open your browser and head over to canva.com. By doing this, you'll land on a window like this. Next, look for the Sign Up button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. A new window pops up displaying your sign-up options. Choose the method that suits you best. I'll select Continue with Google. Hit the Continue button, and you'll see a list of options for how you plan to use Canva. Since I'm creating personal designs, I'll select Personal Use. Congratulations, you've created your Canva account. Canva offers a 30-day free trial to explore all its features. After that, you can choose to continue with a paid plan or stick with the free version, which has some limitations. To start your free trial, click on Start Trial Version. If you prefer, you can select Maybe Later. Let's dive into Canva and create our first project together. In the next part of this tutorial, I'll show you how to add some dynamic elements with animations like this.
John, a man in his late 20s, is deeply engrossed in a paperback novel. A worn leather satchel hangs loosely from his shoulder as he strides purposefully along the bustling sidewalk.
Alright, let's do it together. To start your project, just click on the Create a Design button right next to your profile picture. See that list of options? Just select the type of project you want. For instance, if you're making a video, choose Video. Simple as that. Let's get designing. Awesome! Here is your workspace. Let's bring your project to life. Head over to the Elements tab. It's like a magical toolbox. Search for whatever you need: the street, a car, anything. Once you find it, just click and drag it onto your canvas. Now, let's adjust the size of your elements. Click and drag the corners of your object to make it bigger or smaller. Play around with it until it fits perfectly in your design. Remember, you can always change it later. Want to change the order of your elements? It's easy. Right-click on the element you want to move and select Bring to Front or Send to Back. Watch how it instantly changes the layer order. Want to add some life to your design? Let's animate it. First, select the object you want to move, like this car. Click Animate, then Create Animation. Now, drag the car to where you want it to end up. Choose your movement style and adjust the speed. That's it. Repeat for all the elements you want to animate. Want to add a personal touch to your Canva design? You can easily upload your own voiceover. It's perfect for adding narration, explanations, or even a touch of your personality to your project. To start, click on the Uploads button from the left side menu. This is where you'll find all your images, videos, and audio files. To add your voiceover, simply drag and drop your audio file into the Uploads section. Once your audio file is uploaded, you can drag and drop it onto your design's timeline. Adjust the length and position to match your visual content. You can also adjust the volume and playback speed to fit your needs. Awesome job! Let's see how it looks. Click the play button to preview your animation.
John, a man in his late 20s, is deeply engrossed in a paperback novel. A worn leather satchel hangs loosely from his shoulder as he strides purposefully along the bustling sidewalk.
Looking good. Once you're happy with it, click the share button and choose to download it as a video to your device. There you go, your animated masterpiece is ready to share with the world. Did you find this tutorial helpful? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.